Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by updating the switch and prepping the controller. On the switch, install the latest system update. This improves Bluetooth handling. Power the Xbox controller and confirm batteries are above half or a charged pack is attached, because low power breaks pairing. Turn off nearby Bluetooth headphones, phones, or keyboards to reduce interference. Once done, put the switch in System Settings Right Arrow Controllers and prepare to use a wired trick to expose its Bluetooth pairing window immediately. Don't skip this next action. Next, you'll force the switch into controller pairing mode using a cable and a quick sequence. Connect the switch via USB-C to a powered dock or adapter. The cable helps the system recognize a new input device. Then open controller's right arrow change grip/order so the switch is actively searching for controllers. On the Xbox controller, hold the guide button, then the small sync button until the LED blinks rapidly. This puts it into Bluetooth discoverable mode. Make sure LEDs blink, otherwise repeat the sync button step. Complete the connection by selecting the Xbox controller when the switch shows it on screen. Then test button mapping in the calibration area so you know inputs match. If the controller doesn't appear, power cycle the switch and the Xbox controller, remove other Bluetooth devices, and repeat the USB-triggered pairing sequence. This fixes most timing issues. Finally, if you still have problems, update the Xbox controller firmware from an Xbox console or PC. Outdated firmware can prevent proper Bluetooth handshakes, so make sure both devices run current versions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.